One of the first steps that an organization or an individual will want to do in order to gain valuable insights from analytics is ensuring data integrity and cleanliness.
A lot of people come from different software services and their data is a mess. I mean, it's just jumbled.
You might have duplication, you might have inaccurate reporting throughout your sales teams, you might have sales teams that aren't inputting the data in the right fields or modules, so everything is just an amalgamation of data that you can't pull from.
If you have bad data, you have a bad foundation, and any of the insights you're going to try to derive from these charts or these graphs that you've built are going to be useless because you're putting junk in, right? Junk in, junk out is something we talk about all the time.
What you'll find if you go to set up a tool like analytics and you haven't been maintaining data cleansing and data integrity practices within your organization is that you might have a bit of garbage in your data, which makes it difficult to glean any sort of actionable insights from.
In all organizations, data can never be perfect, so we provide AI tools to help you clean up the data.
It cleans it up, it categorizes it, and it makes everything go from one column to the exact next column. Instead of having the stragglers, it'll pick it up by keywords and help you organize that data.
DataPrep is a companion application to Zoho Analytics that helps you bring in data from multiple sources and get it all formatted so that you can use it for actionable insights within your organization.
You can run all of your data tables through and clean up duplicates, fix spelling errors, and fill in where the missing data is.
It will join words together like key phrases and then clean up all of that data and give you suggestions so that way you're not just going in one at a time.
So maybe I'm using QuickBooks and the data point I have has a $sign in it, and somewhere else I have a different data point that's a number field and it doesn't have a $sign. If I try to blend that and put it in one chart, one report, obviously it's not going to work.
It is possible to take that data and go into Excel and manipulate it, but from a scalability perspective, that's not what organizations want to do. That's not what people who need to make decisions based off of data need to be spending their time on.
And DataPrep allows you to go in, pull, refine, enhance, and make the data that much more usable. So when you're integrating CRM, books, desk, what other application have you, you are getting the right reporting. So you know for a fact that when I'm looking at how many sales have we closed over the past quarter, that number is true.
That way you have clean and concise information, so then as you go on the other steps and move towards a higher level of usage, you have confidence in the data that you're using.
Once you have good insights, once you have good data, small changes to your process can have very large outcomes to your business at the end of the day, right? So yeah, where are we offering different types of services? How does that change the outcome of the customer? How does that change our sales process, our win rate, anything like that? Those are decisions you can't really make without good data. And those are the important decisions you basically have to make, right? A small tweak here or there upstream can change 20 or 30% of an outcome later down the line, which can be huge. So yeah, small investments in data tools allow you to make big decisions that can have large influences over your outcomes.